This is not a video you want to watch if you are counting on someone to come and save your life. Whether it is your father, whether it is your mother, whether it is your brothers or uncle, or whoever it is that you are counting on to save you. This is not the video you want to watch if you have such a person in your life. This video is for the people that knows deep down in their heart that they will not have anyone coming for them. Those who are that knows that in deep down their heart they have to do the work and they are left alone on this journey. It is for a horse story. It is for the people that are left alone. So, are you that person? Are you the one that knows that this is on you and that you have to do this work and that you have to make it? And are you afraid perhaps of affirming and assuming to yourself that you are that guy? If you are, then this is the video that you want to watch. So let's dive into it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Chris Kobe, and I have a message for you. If you are the person that knows that nobody is coming for you, that knows that this process of becoming greater or this process of becoming a better version of yourself, it's all upon you, then you want to stick around and watch this video. You see, in life, becoming great and achieving greatness comes with a lot of pains and a lot of suffering. You will undergo a lot of adventures and a lot of process that you never thought about, that you didn't know it will get this hard. So you want to first understand a bit of how hard this moment or this life can be, and then you can prepare yourself emotionally and intellectually to handle the challenges ahead of you. You see, life is sometimes really strong and so strong emotionally and spiritually to the point that you may feel threatened by your whole existence. It means that sometimes you can feel like you cannot do it anymore, that you cannot take anymore, that you are at the point that nothing is going to work out, that nobody is coming, and that's right, nobody is really coming. I mean, at a certain point, it is not even more about the money because money won't do the work for you. You know deep down that you need money. Everybody does. But money won't make the work. Money won't make the decision. You are the one that will make the decision to use the money in a certain way in order to achieve certain thing. You've probably known people that has had money, like people that had money and didn't use them the correct way to get to where they want to get. And there are those others who didn't have the money but make the correct decision and had the money and to get to where they want to be. That means in order to get to where you are, you don't necessarily need the money. You need the hunger to just get willing and get on the track and get into the. Of course, you need money to get things. You need money to feed yourself. You need money to do certain things. But money alone is not the solution to your problem. In fact, if you are broke and not educated at all and you have money, then probably money won't make you richer. Money won't just give you more time to do the shit that you are committed to. So, in fact, you want to first assess your situation in a very honest way and then being real to yourself because this process forces you to be real to yourself. You cannot lie to yourself. You cannot pretend and assume that you are better than you are. Of course, you can tell yourself these affirmation words, and I love to tell sometimes myself those amazing affirmative words, but those alone won't do the work. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the actual time in order getting better. And it will take time. It will take years, maybe months, and then you are afraid of putting the time into it because you may not have the resources to get it. But I have a good news for you because whatever you have in your heart, whatever you are willing to commit to, the universe always automatically provide for you to commit to that path because your will or your desire is there because there is a desire that is connected to the universe that is trying to manifest through you. And when you stick to your path, your path, you become naturally in tune with the universe, which also provide with all the needs that you require in order to survive on this journey. So it might be hard, it might be complicated, it might be however you think it's gonna be, but the good news is you can survive it. And once you get to the point that you can survive the basic need, which is the survival, you can start growing. And growth, I've already mentioned that in another video, it comes after survival, but the moment you're surviving, it is the moment that you are being more creative. It is the moment that you're becoming more aggressive. It's the moment that you develop yourself. It is the moment that you grow. And if you want to grow over the long term, you need to maintain a certain part of that hunger. You see, money can be distraction. Money at certain point can buy you a lot of fancy things that also become distraction to you. I mean distraction, because sometimes I use this word very badly. Well, money can be distraction to you, and that distraction can make you lose focus and attention in your things. So you want to use money to just enhance your way of focusing or your way to being productive. You don't want to use money to distract yourself. You don't want to use money to indulge yourself into bad habits, because those will lose you from your whole essence. For instance, money doesn't help you just get better. Money is there to serve you. So if you are not a good master, money won't serve you any good. So on this journey, you want to aim yourself with making great decisions. You want to aim yourself with honors and truth, because once you know what you desire, what you really want, you try your best to stay away of this decision that will take you out of your path and that will take you out of your own essence, which will lead you to being completely lost. So you want to definitely try your best to be honest yourself. And honesty means knowing that nobody is coming for you. Nobody is coming. I mean, people can help you. And there are a lot of people on the way that will definitely help you. There are tons of people that will help you, but that will happen because they will see a value in you, because they will see something in you that they wish they could be, and they will help you for that reason. And there are tons of people that will definitely help down the road, and those people are amazing people. They are naturally connected to your spirit. They will help to make you become a better person, because you are to promote a greatness to the world. You are to bring something new to the world. I mean, a new way to do things in the world. So you want to continue and being focused in order to enhance your skills and your ability to do more and to become more. And then you meet the people that appreciate that in you, and then that can value for who you are and for what you worth. And then you can meet those people. You can definitely meet them when you are ready, because don't rush. Opportunities are everywhere, but you have to prepare yourself and be ready to see and to be able to decrypt all those opportunities. So it is really crucial, if you know you are left alone, that you are this on your own, that nobody's coming for you, that your mother will not come, that your father will not come, even though they wish and they want it, they can't, because this is your path, and it is nothing like what they have done, and it is nothing like what they have seen. It is completely new to you. But don't be afraid, because you got a universe. But you got to be willing to do the work. You got to be willing to stay longer. You got to be willing to put all of you into it, because it is your call, it is your path, and it is all you are to be, and it is all that you are to become. And this is your moment. And I will repeat again, your moment to become great, your moment to take the leap, that leap of faith. Don't be afraid of it. Just recognize the fear, but use it to your advantage, because it's telling you what you have to do. Don't wait anymore. Just take your time if you need to, but the moment is now, and don't wait too much. Don't wait too long. You will become greater. You feel it, that you are alone on this, and don't feel alone. It is your blessing. being alone is your blessing. It is the thing that push you to become greater. It is the thing that push you to have more time to focus and to build the habits and the discipline and the skill that will set you apart on the world full of competitivity. It is the moments and it is the opportunity for you being alone to just become who you are destined to be. So don't use it as something against yourself, use it properly in your favor. So if you are that person that feels that nobody's coming and that you feel terrible about it, that you feel discouraged, oh, I got a good news for you, my friend. It is your birth edge, it is your birth advantage that you have, it is your birth resource that you have. Tap into it, focus into it, use it properly into your advantage, because being alone and being forced to come up with ideas will set you apart. You will be relentless, you will be so driven, you will be so ambitious, you will be so focused that nothing can stop you, because you are using a pure energy. You are using it from the ground, you are using it from the universe, you are tapping into the universe. But it doesn't just come with fancy words, it doesn't come with fancy motivation and affirmative words. It comes with the realness, it comes with the truthness, it comes with the honesty to do the work, to do the thing, to put in the effort, to be disciplined, to try everything you can to get into that position that you know will change everything for you. And that position is so close than you think. So don't stop now, keep going, and very soon, you see, there is no destination, there are just steps. Once you cross that position, you will see that there is more that you can achieve. You will see that there is more than what you think, that there is more than what you can see. You know how much money there is in the world? Trillion of dollars. How much do you need from it? Just very percentage from it. I mean, you just need a little. There is so much money in the world that you will never finish spending. So there is so much money that you alone you will never make all of them. So there is much more opportunity in the world, but you have to be ready to take up on that opportunity. It is for not it is not for everybody. It is for people like you who are left alone and who are willing to do the game and who are willing to play it safely. But you have a great challenges, and those great challenges are to transform you to that person that you are deserve or that you are being born to become. And I hope you don't get discouraged by this, but just get motivated and inspired by your story. And one day I expect you to tell your story to the world, how great you can become coming from the ground, and how amazing that story can sound. And I wish I will be that moment when you are telling your story. Good luck, my friend. And I'm happy to call you my friend.